Today we're going to take a look at how to plan and assemble a simple utility table using Hollaender Speed-Rail. My name is Lauren, this is Dave, and we are both with Buy Railings, a leading distributor of Hollaender products. Let's get started. Speed-Rail is one of the most popular forms of modular pipe-based assembly systems. Hollaender is a long-term American manufacturer, and they've really perfected the Speed-Rail system. The fittings are made of cast aluminum and are very durable. It's high quality and really easy to install, so it's become a popular choice for railings. But it's also extremely versatile, and there have been countless other applications built with Speed-Rail systems. Everything from solar panel mounts to camera rigging on film sets. But today, we're going to show you just one example of how to use Speed-Rail in a different way. Dave and I are going to build this utility table.
The table that we are building today is 36 inches high by 35 inches wide by 27 inches deep. For the assembly, the only tool you will need is a 3/16 Allen key for tightening the Hollaender Speed-Rail fittings. Materials are also pretty simple. We basically need 4 of everything. 4 vertical posts cut to 35.5 inches, 4 horizontal crossbars for the table's width cut to 32 inches, and 4 crossbars for the table's depth cut to 24 inches. We are using 1-inch IPS mill finish aluminum pipe, but you can also use galvanized steel pipe if preferred. By the way, we will have links to all of these items in the description so you can easily see exactly what parts we are using. Next, to connect all of these pipes, we are using 1-inch IPS Speed-Rail fittings. Just like with our pipes, we need 4 of each fitting. 4 side outlet elbows, 4 side outlet T's, and 4 square base flanges. For the table surface, we are using 1/4-inch thick plexiglass cut to size. A tip when assembling this table is to make sure that when you put the uprights into the upper elbows, that the uprights bump into the top of the elbow. That way it acts as a stopper when inserting the cross beams to ensure a square table. First, assemble the vertical post sections, which we have already done. We have positioned the top Speed-Rail elbows and the side outlet T's and tighten them loosely. Position the vertical post sections and then slide all crossbars into the Speed-Rail fittings. Tighten all fittings and then place the table surfaces into place. And there you have it, a custom table made entirely of Speed-Rail pipe and fittings.
Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments what you think of this table design. We have lots of videos planned, so be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Hop on over to buyrailings.com to get more information and order Hollaender Speed-Rail items, or get in touch with any questions you may have. See you again soon!